could only get worse. You'll still go to bed at night nervous and anxious, you won't be able to fall asleep, or dread when you wake up, no matter how many times, that you won't be able to fall back to sleep. And you can't forget about the dangers a chronic lack of sleep could have in your life. Studies have found it could decrease your lifespan, shrink your brain, increase your risk of obesity or death from a stroke or heart attack. And then you have the psychological costs of being sleep deprived, always feeling heavy, sluggish, slow, and hyper-irritable. How many years do you want to keep walking down that path of life? It's like you're living in a prison, and I get it. I've been there before, but you no longer have to feel trapped or hopeless, especially when you've learned how easy and simple it is for you to enjoy deep, peaceful, and uninterrupted sleep again. Plus, what it can do for your mind and energy levels. It can do wonders for your metabolism, your body, your complexion, and your memory, which is really important as you get older, and why you should go with option number 2, the smart and savvy choice. The choice that thousands have made, and that's to click the button below this video, order REM Vital, and end your nights of tossing and turning for good. And you know what's funny is that most of my clients who say that they were never morning people are now waking up to the birds chirping in the neighborhood because they're getting the best sleep that they've had in years from REM Vital. So go ahead and give it a try. You deserve to have control over your health and life, to feel and look great, because when you order REM Vital right now, you'll get back the life and health that chronic sleep deprivation robbed from you. I've seen it time and time again with patients and customers, men and women in their 50s, 60s, and 70s, and heck, even in their 80s, who miraculously age in reverse, erase their daytime fatigue, sharpen their mind, trim away pounds of stubborn fat, and renew their appearance so they look years younger. And you know what they all have in common? Getting a good night's sleep 365 days per year. So now it's your turn to feel what it's like. Just click the button below this video to get started, and from there, a new page will open and you'll be taken to the secure and private checkout area to choose which package you'd like. Now, I'm sure you're going to love how you feel once you begin taking REM Vital, and how much better your life is going to be because you're finally getting the sleep you've always hoped for each night before bed, the sleep you've been craving this entire time. Just click the button below to get started.